Unlock hidden profits in real estate wholesaling by mastering Propstream's powerful analytics. Step 1. Initiate your search. Once logged into Propstream, navigate to the Search tab here. You'll begin narrowing down your target market and property types. Think about the specific areas you want to invest in and the kinds of properties that typically present wholesale opportunities, like single-family homes or condos. In the search filters, select your desired zip codes or counties. Crucially, filter by owner-occupied status for wholesaling. You're often looking for off-market properties, and owner-occupied homes are less likely to be actively listed. You can also refine by property characteristics like year built or square footage to match your criteria. Step 2. Analyze property value and potential. Once you've run your search, you'll see a list of properties. Click on any property to pull up its detailed profile. The Property Details tab is your goldmine. Pay close attention to the estimated value and estimated equity information. This gives you a quick snapshot of the property's worth and how much potential equity is likely available, a critical factor for wholesalers. Step 3. Dive into comparable sales. The comps and trends section is vital. Propstream automatically pulls comparable sold properties in the vicinity. Review these recent sales to validate the estimated value and understand true market pricing. Assess if the property's condition in the comps is similar to your target property to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Estimate repair costs. Savvy wholesalers account for repairs. Propstream often provides a repair estimate tool. This feature breaks down potential costs for various renovation tasks, like kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, or structural repairs. This is your quick way to budget for potential rehab work and factor it into your offer. Step 5. Calculate your profit margin now. Bring it all together. Use Propstream's built-in deal analyzer or a similar feature. Input your estimated purchase price, the after-repair value, ARV, derived from your comps, and your estimated repair costs. Propstream will then display a projected profit margin. If this margin meets your wholesale goals, you've likely found a good deal. By systematically leveraging Propstream's tools, you can confidently identify and secure lucrative wholesale deals. Start analyzing today and empower your real estate wholesaling business.